Keeping the trains running. It's a 24-hour-a-day job. Even when the trains aren't running, we are. At Central Control downtown with rail transportation. With Metromover maintenance and communication. At the Lehman Center with vehicle maintenance. Out on the tracks with track and guideway. In the stations with facilities maintenance. Or in the classroom with maintenance control and training. Running rail and moving the mover is an around-the-clock responsibility. While Miami sleeps, we're busy cleaning and preparing our vehicles for yet another day of service. From the station guards to the track inspectors, everyone is a part of the transit team. 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. We're Team Transit, on the move. The number one priority in the vehicle maintenance department is to provide clean, safe, and well-maintained vehicles on time for each day of passenger service. You can always find some type of activity occurring, whether it be in the motor shop, component shop, brake shop, or in the daily maintenance or cleaning of our vehicles. The Vehicle Maintenance Department does whatever it takes to provide safe and clean vehicles for our transit passengers. Facilities maintenance maintains the escalators, elevators, and internal equipment located at the Metromover and Metrorail stations. They are responsible for passenger security, the cleanliness and overall appearance of the stations, as well as parking operations. At the Lehman Center and at the Metromover Garage, they service and repair the lifts, hoists, cranes, and the electrical systems that are used to power the machinery. Track and Guideway is always on duty, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Their priorities are to inspect, repair, and ensure the integrity of the track, the roadbed, and the supporting structures. The track inspectors, track repair, structure crew, and track shop personnel do whatever it takes to keep our rail system running safely and running on time. Maintenance control and the centralized maintenance control function provide uniform methods of controlling maintenance, as well as the unbiased reporting of the data to the assistant director. They also provide support to the other departments through the efforts of the electronics laboratory and by the repairing and maintenance of sophisticated electronics equipment. They provide training for all disciplines of rail employees, both in the classroom and in the field. The number one priority of the Metromover staff is to provide safe, clean, and reliable transportation for our passengers. We accomplish this by providing around-the-clock repair and maintenance. Each vehicle has to be inspected for reliability and safety and cleaned inside and out before it can be returned to the fleet for another day of service. The Metromover staff does whatever it takes to provide a safe, clean, and reliable link to both Metrorail and Metrobus. Rail transportation directs the rail traffic for all the vehicles on the main line and at the Lehman Center. It is their responsibility to maintain clear lines of communication with train operators, the platform supervisors at Dadeland South and Okeechobee, as well as the technical personnel that may be positioned throughout the main line. At Central Control, they monitor the security cameras that are located at the Metromover and Metrorail stations, allowing quick response to any emergency situation that could develop. Frank Martin, Assistant Director of Rail Operations, and his team of dedicated transit professionals are working together to provide a safe, clean, and reliable rail system. We're Team Rail, on the move, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day.